You're planning a renovation. You may be feeling overwhelmed or looking to start immediately. Our team is here to help capture everything for you. I'm Nick Karrandjas, project consultant, and one of the many dedicated experts at Ottawa General Contractors that can make this the best renovation experience for you. We are a full-service renovation company. We take care of everything A to Z. We've got the full team from admin, architectural planners, designers, scope builders, project managers, construction managers, and on-site team to deliver that great experience and great renovated space. I often joke with our clients that your role in this relationship can be as simple as telling us what you hate, what you love, what you're envisioning, and giving us the key to the door. We can take care of the rest and deliver to you the space you've always dreamed of.